हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। दिस इज़ आदिश। आज हम बात करेंगे एक नैनो कैप कंपनी के बारे में जिसकी मार्केट कैप सिर्फ 20 करोड़ है। एंड वाई वी आर डिस्कसिंग दिस बिकॉज इंडिया के एक बहुत ही फेमस स्मॉल कैप इन्वेस्टर ने इसमें होल्डिंग बनाई है इन मार्च 21। सो विल डिस्कस हु इज़ दैट पर्सन, राइट। बिफोर दैट विल डिस्कस द बेसिक्स। फॉर एग्जाम्पल करंट प्राइस इज 60 एंड टुडे इट गॉट क्लोज एट 72। आज 20% को अपर सर्किट था इस पर, right? And stock P is 8.63 and currently it's 10.12. So after today's upside, right? Book value is 43, dividend yield is 1.67%. So this is positive that such a small company is also giving dividend. Return on capital employed ROS figure is healthy 23%, ROE figures is 17%. Face value is 10 rupees, right? And if we see the chart, 1 year chart, it is already almost doubled, 35 to 70 rupees, right? And this is the max chart. Got listed this company in 2014, and this is the zigzag chart we can see here. And if I talk about the PE ratio, so median PE is around 12-13 PE, and it is currently this much only as on March 20, right? And अभी तक इन्होंने सितंबर तक के रिजल्ट दिए हैं because this company gives result every 6 months because it's a medium and small, comes under medium and small enterprise. So उसके अकॉर्डिंग भी 14-15 month है because there were some lockdown months also, right? So this is the price chart, and this company has reduced debt. Sales growth it's showing 11%, but we'll see the growth part, right? So this company is, yes, this is Bansal Roofing Company, and we'll discuss the details on this. And quickly once we'll go through the financials, P&L, so we can see how beautifully it has grown from mere 7 lakhs in 2011, then 71 lakhs, 17 crore, 19 crore, 24 crore, and currently it's 41 crore in March 20. And it's beautifully increased its operating profits as well as net profit also from few lakhs to 2 crore something, right? And operating profit margin is highest as on March 28%. And we can see the component profit growth on the right hand side. This is again looking okay, and 5 years perspective it's good. Stock price has given good returns, right? Sales growth growing good, right? And if I talk about the fundamentals, the balance sheet has share capital is 3.3 crores, that is 32 lakh odd equity shares are outstanding. Borrowings are nil, so this is a debt free company. This is good. And other assets are far exceeding other liabilities. So यहाँ कुछ है नहीं खास. Fixed assets are 4.5 crores. So fundamentally good company because borrowings are nil, right? Operating profits, cash from operating activities, this we should compare with the profits. So this is also looking good, right? ROS we have discussed, and debtors outstanding at 25 days, not much. Inventory turnover is handsome, 5 plus. And one of the positive aspect, other than the Ashish Chugh, the famous investor, has entered this company, right? So other aspect is promoter shareholding has increased in every quarter, literally every quarter in the last 3 years. So that shows how promoter are confident about their company and the growth aspects. So we can see here this in every quarter profit, this promoter shareholding has increased, you can see yourself, and up to 73% latestly, right? And if I see the latest shareholding, promoters currently holding 73%, there is no pledge, right? And if I see the public shareholding, so currently approx 130 odd shareholders are there, and 10%, almost 11% of the equity is held by the 10 odd shareholders, right? And 14% equity is 105 number of shareholders. And we can see here the famous investor, this Ashish Chugh, with 1% over 1% holding, he has entered, right? So this is the trigger why I searched this company, right? And quickly I would like to also go through the website. So when I doing scuttle buttle about this company, so I found website, good website, like most of the things are updated here. If I see investors, so shareholding pattern, corporate governance, even investor presentation. So this is also a good aspect about this company, because मोस्टली छोटी कंपनियां ये सब चीज़ें अपनी नहीं अपडेट करती है, और दे आर नॉट अवेयर, और दे डोंट गिव सच preference to all these activities, right? And what I would like to discuss especially about the credentials of this company. So this is a CRISIL rated company having MSC 1 status. So MSC 1 is the highest rating CRISIL for MSC. We can see the details of this CRISIL report also in the investor section. And this is the also got Scotch Order, India's best SME and fastest growing manufacturing company, Gujarat most promising brand, and it's already catering to the good big corporate houses, Bail, L&T, Sponge, Vedanta, right? And we have not so far discussed what this company does. So this company basically as a name suggests, Bansal Roofing Products Limited. So basically this company is into roofing solutions and also manufacturing the pre-engineering buildings, जो steel की buildings होती है, which is almost up to 30% lighter than the traditional buildings of bricks, right? So these are all certifications of this company. And one more thing, if you scroll down the Facebook page of this company, you will see this company is also listed as India's top 10 roofing experts company by the Outlook magazine. So this is again showing the good future about this company. And one more aspect which I would like to discuss with you all is this. Bansal Roofing Products has purchased industrial land and measuring 297,000 square feet for the expansion of business, and the plant is expected to be operative by October 21. So currently this company is having one plant that is at measuring 40,000 square feet approx. So it's going to it's expand 7x, almost 7x of its size, plant size, right? So this is again one trigger for this company. And if I can show you the second bullet which is coming here, is not second, third bullet, yes. So it's showing the sale target of 55 crore for 11 this 21-22 financial year. So again they are expecting good growth and targeting good growth, right? So this is all brief about this company. 10 years of experience, 1 million square metal sheet installed, this 100 plus PEB manufactured and erected, 2000 plus orders per year. So this is all about this Bansal Roofing Products Limited. I would like to highlight few things about this company before concluding. So would like to highlight that this is small company, a nanochem company, 20 crore odd market size. So we should keep risk also related to this company, like this is a illiquid share, right? And order size is 3000 odd 3000 shares, right? So you have to invest minimum 2 lakh 10,000 at one go. And illiquid share है, हो सकता है आप इसमें एंट्री कर लो, बट एट द टाइम ऑफ सेलिंग आपका जो परचेज बायर खड़ा है वो कम रेट में खड़ा हो परचेज के, राइट? सो यू हैव टू कंसिडर ऑल दीज एस्पेक्ट्स बिफोर इन्वेस्टिंग, right? And if I want to conclude about this company, so what I am seeing here, that on valuation part it's fairly valued, right? And on the growth aspects, like this is expanding its size to almost 7x of its present, right? And famous investor has entered this company. That was the trigger also, and promoter has utter faith in their company and their uh, future and in their management, and they have increased their promoter holding in almost uh, all the quarters in last 3 years, right? So this was it, and I would like to mention that I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. Please do your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before investing, right? I'm no expert, right? And I my views may be biased because I'm holding this company. So for the timing, this was it. Thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed so far, please subscribe my channel. Thanks.